Seniors, how to make money with Uber Eats in Canada. For many Canadian seniors, finding flexible, low-stress ways to earn extra income has become more important than ever. Rising living costs, reduced retirement savings, and the desire to stay active have pushed many older adults to explore gig economy opportunities. One of the most accessible options is delivering with Uber Eats. Whether you live in a busy city like Vancouver or a quieter community on Vancouver Island, Uber Eats can offer a simple, reliable way to supplement your income on your own schedule. This guide breaks down everything seniors need to know about making money with Uber Eats in Canada. Why Uber Eats is a great option for seniors. Seniors, how to make money with Uber Eats in Canada, a practical guide for 2026. Uber Eats is popular among seniors because it offers flexible hours, work whenever you want, mornings, afternoons, or just weekends. No boss or pressure, you choose how often you deliver and how far you're willing to go. Low barrier to entry, you don't need advanced tech skills or a commercial vehicle. A way to stay active, walking or biking deliveries can help keep you moving. Extra income without long-term commitments, perfect for supplementing CPP, OAS, or pension income. What seniors need to start delivering with Uber Eats in Canada? Uber Eats has simple requirements, and many seniors already meet them. 1. Age requirement: you must be 18 or older, so seniors qualify. 2. A mode of transportation: you can deliver using a car, an e-bike, a regular bicycle, a scooter. Walking in some dense urban areas, this flexibility makes it ideal for seniors who prefer short-distance, low-impact deliveries. 3. A smartphone: you'll need a phone that can run the Uber Driver app. Most modern Android or iPhone models work fine. 4. Background check: Uber Eats requires a criminal background check, a driving record check if using a car. These are standard and usually quick. How much can seniors earn with Uber Eats in Canada? Earnings vary by city, time of day, and delivery type, but most seniors can expect average earnings $18 to $28 per hour in busy areas, $12 to $20 per hour in quieter regions. You earn money through delivery fees, boosts, and promotions. Tips: a major income source, surge pricing during busy times. Many seniors choose to work during lunch, 11 a.m. to 2 p.m., dinner, 4 p.m. to 8 p.m. weekends. These are the highest earning periods. Best Canadian cities for seniors delivering with Uber Eats. While Uber Eats operates across Canada, some areas are especially senior-friendly. Top cities: Uber Eats, Vancouver, Victoria, Nanaimo, Toronto, Calgary, Ottawa, Montreal. Why these cities work well? High population density, lots of restaurants, shorter delivery distances, more walking, biking opportunities. For seniors living in smaller towns, earnings can still be solid, especially during peak hours. Tips for seniors to maximize earnings with Uber Eats: choose short, easy routes, stick to neighborhoods you know well. Shorter trips equals more deliveries per hour. Work during peak times, lunch and dinner. Rushers offer the best payouts. Use a bike or walk when possible. No gas costs, no parking stress, more exercise. Keep your phone charged. A portable power bank is a great investment. Be friendly and reliable. Polite communication and timely deliveries often lead to higher tips. Track your expenses. If you use a car, you may be able to deduct gas, maintenance, phone bill, mileage. Speak with a tax professional to understand what applies to you. Is Uber Eats safe for seniors? Yes, especially if you follow basic safety practices. Deliver during daylight hours. Stick to familiar neighborhoods. Keep your phone's GPS on. Avoid carrying large amounts of cash. Use a reflective vest if biking or walking. Uber also provides in-app safety features like trip tracking and emergency assistance. Why more seniors are joining the gig economy? A great way to supplement retirement income.